Hello Sizziers! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use basic auto layouts. In order to create an auto layout, you need to select the frame that you want to turn into an auto layout and press Command G. When choosing a horizontal or vertical position, the auto layout is automatically applied to the group. Inside the auto layout, you can choose positioning, set padding, and adjust internal spacing. You can also apply space between properties, which allow you to quickly update spacing equally between objects. Also inside the auto layout, you can easily swap frames and resize them by applying a fill container property that stretches the object over the entire auto layout, or you can apply the fix property that fixes the parameters of the object. Thank you for watching! In the next videos we will tell you how to apply this knowledge on real cases. Bye!